I used to work for Leeds City Council, and I used to get embedded. Well, I would embed myself, and I was embedded within different teams across the council, making sure that they were getting the most out of central IT in a way that kind of reflected their own needs and their own specialisms, but also brought them under kind of like the central IT border. So I've always been kind of like skirting that line between making sure things are standardized and centralized in their efficiencies, but also that central function reflects the specific needs. I feel like a lot of the time people view IT provision and centralized IT provision and technology as being kind of like there's almost a false dichotomy between centralizing everything and having massive economies of scale and making sure that things are as efficient as they possibly can be and it's one size fits all, or being completely kind of like spread out, disparate, and kind of do it yourself kind of methodology. And I've always been somebody that kind of challenges that, because I recognize that neither side works. The synthesis that you're looking for here, and the ideal position, is to make sure that you're in a central function, propping up these specialists, and you're empowering people in local and smaller scale teams to do what they need to do and leverage that technology that they really need to get their job done. But somebody in the center necessarily alone in isolation isn't going to understand what that is. So I've always been a kind of go-between between the two.